Wow. Sorry, you guys are insanely hot.
Thank you so much.
You guys live here?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, nice. I just moved here like a month ago.
Oh, really? America?
Yeah.
Yeah. America.
Okay, $1 million on the line. What state am I from?
Texas?
I live in Austin, Texas.
Do you really?
Stop it.
I swear.
Well, not
Stop
now.
it.
Yeah.
Have you moved to England?
Well, I moved here for work.
Oh, nice.
Oh, what do you do for work?
Yeah. So I own a business. It's
wow,
called.
lovely.
Yeah. You said I'm on my way to go meet with a friend right now. You said you're both single then, or?
We are.
We are, yeah.
Really? Okay. But both of you should follow my Instagram then.
We should.
Should we? Both of us?
Yeah. You know where I've been really wanting to hit?
Yeah.
The black dog.
Where's that?
Girls just want to have fun. You just want to have fun. Everybody in life just wants to be enjoying themselves. What do you really want a bunch of women for? And so you can have fun and enjoy yourself. What do you really want money for? So you can have fun and enjoy yourself. You could be broke and still survive, right? But you want to enjoy your life. And you guys go out with this wildly serious energy because you feel like you must get this area of your life handled. I promise you that if you are going out with the energy of, I just want to get this area of my life handled, you are fucked. It's over for you. You got to go out and have fun. Rewatch that clip. I've got a fun vibe, bro. I'm having fun. People will comment on my Infield sometimes and be like, oh, I wouldn't have done it exactly like that. And blah, blah, blah. I can tell from your comment that you don't get laid. I can tell, okay? Because I'm somebody who had to get out of my head. I'm somebody who, I used to be very, very stuck in my head when I would be out. I dealt with extremely low self-esteem from being fat my whole life, from being rejected by Melanie, from being rejected by Megan. Everything in game felt so serious to me. And I want you guys to just cleanse your mind, put on some happy house music, watch some of my Infields over on Daygame Decoded. I want you guys to go out, go very, very direct, laugh off the rejections. Getting rejected in the game is inherently very funny. Especially if you're not that great looking of a guy and you go up to the baddest bitch in the bar, the bad bitch that all the chads are standing around looking at that girl and like, I wonder if I could be the one that had the shot. And then you fucking come rolling up to her. Hey, I saw you over here. You're just like insanely fucking hot. I wanted to come talk to you. It's funny. This is all very, very funny. Game is hilarious. It's supposed to be a good time. You guys can't be walking around with this very serious face right before you approach. And then when you start talking to a chick, you're all serious. You cannot take this seriously. Find the fun in game by thinking of openers that you think are funny, wearing something that you think is funny, saying some ridiculous shit to try to get the girl home, talking about Lion King, talking about your pet turtle and how it needs to be fed, and you could really use a helping hand. Whatever it is, bro, you've got to tap into the fun, because I'm telling you, just like with anything else, if you don't have fun doing what it is that you're trying to do, you're going to end up quitting. You're going to end up quitting and you're not going to end up getting results. There's something called the law of state transference, okay? And basically what that means is that she can feel what you're feeling. And this is true, bro. You go up and talk to somebody and you've been in a really bad mood and somebody's like, is everything okay? Like, is there something going on? Even if you weren't really showing it, they could feel the tension. So you guys got to just release. You've got to understand that you've got a very limited time on this planet. Look at the last 10 years of your life. That shit was a blink. It was a blink of an eye. The next 10 years are going to be a blink, and yet you're out here taking everything so seriously. Game is supposed to be fun. Guys, I just announced my new boot camps coming all across the United States this coming fall. We're going to be in Austin. We're going to be in Miami. We're going to be in New York. We're going to be in Los Angeles, California. I think I added a couple others, but click down below and you can go look now. And then you click the button on there and you apply to speak with me. You just put in your information. We're going to do a call and I'm going to try to help you out a little bit and also see if this is going to be something that you're interested in doing. I can give you all the details about the boot camp, but brother, I am telling you right now, you've got to be having fun, okay? You've got to be in shape. You got to be rizzing chicks. You got to have girls coming over, slobbing on your knob, okay? And I can make this happen for you. It's very, very possible. In fact, it's very likely. It's very probable, okay? Click the link down below. Sign up for one of my upcoming boot camps by first speaking with me. And if you're somebody who you're like, oh, I'm afraid I would never be able to afford it, I've got payment plans. You can absolutely afford it. There's payment plans available. I make it very, very easy for you guys in order to take these. I also don't even charge nearly as much as what some other coaches charge, and their coaching is dog shit. I've literally heard this a bunch of times from guys that are like, I did this guy's boot camp and he charged me like this much. I felt like it was a terrible boot camp. And then guys are like, bro, you need to literally be charging more. And I don't charge as much as I probably should because I want to kind of give everybody a shot. I'm very passionate about this. I've given my life to the game. It's changed everything for me. It's improved my life in so many ways. I can't even begin. Maybe I'll do another video on that. But I look forward to seeing you guys on the boot camp. Let's talk. Click the link below. Let's go.